Dear students, following question is a 1 mark question from topic of columns from mechanics of material, and those students who have studied the subject of steel structures by working stress method, they must be very much familiar about this formula that is called as Rankine formula for columns or Rankine-Gordon formula for column. Now, as per Rankine formula, the critical stress for intermediate column is given by sigma into cross-sectional area of column upon 1 plus alpha into slenderness ratios whole square. So alpha is sigma c upon pi square e. After substitution of alpha as 1 upon 6585, because sigma c is known, that is stress capacity in failure due to crushing, which is given as 300 MPa. E is known, which is 2 into 10 to the power 5 MPa, and 1 MPa is equal to 1 Newton per mm square. Please keep this relation in mind. Many students commit mistake while dealing with two different systems of unit, that is system of pascals and system of Newton or mm. So the relation is 1 MPa is equal to 1 Newton per mm square, and sigma c is stress due to crushing or strength in crushing or ultimate strength of the column upon pi square e, from which alpha comes out as 1 upon 6585. After substitution these values, sigma cr comes out as 43 kilonewton. So all these calculations were very much, in fact I'll say just calculator thing we did. But how this Rankine formula comes into picture? Now we know that every column undergoes failure either by crushing or by buckling, and buckling is valid for slender columns having slenderness ratio greater than certain value. Crushing is valid for short columns, and in between the mechanism or phenomena of crushing and buckling, we have intermediate columns that fail both by crushing and buckling, which as per Rankine-Gordon formula, 1 upon sigma cr or 1 upon sigma critical is the sum of reciprocals of sigma c, that is strength in crushing plus strength in buckling or Euler strength. So 1 upon sigma cr is a by p, because it is 1 upon sigma c, and sigma c is written as p by a. This is sigma c, and we know that PCR as per Euler's formula is given by pi square EI by L square. If we have to convert it into form of sigma, it can be written as pi square EI by AL square. So its reciprocal can be written as A square A into L square upon pi square EI. A cancels out from all the terms, so 1 upon PCR can be written as 1 upon P plus L square pi square EI. Multiplying and dividing the term of L square upon pi square EI by A, that is into A divided by A, under root I by A is K, which is defined as radius of gyration, and L effective upon K is defined as slenderness ratio. That's why to bring it into the form of slenderness ratio, we have divided and multiplied it by A. So after substitution, 1 upon PCR comes out as 1 upon P plus L square K square into pi square EI upon A, from which 1 upon PR can be written as 1 upon P plus R square into pi square EIA, which simplifies to sigma A upon 1 plus alpha SR square, and alpha is what we talked about, that is sigma C upon pi square E. So this question is to introduce that you need not cram every formula for your GATE examination. You can proceed with simple calculations, simple basic steps, and you will be able to derive these results within a minute or two. Since I am discussing it with you, it is taking a long time to tell from where every parameter is coming. So don't cram every formula, just keep concepts in mind and build the questions around them. So correct solution for question number 8 for time being lies as 43 kilonewton.